Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. Alright, I'm so excited because I'm creating Dark Phoenix today, one of my faves. I already got my bandeau on, so I'm ready for some body paint. I have my hair ready for my wig, so I'm going to jump up and prep my face. So let's get to it. Let's start off with some priming. I'm going to go ahead and prime my face, my neck, a little bit of my chest, and I'm also going to get my eyelids ready, set that, and then off camera, I'm going to do some foundation and set that as well. If you do enjoy today's video, be sure to hit that like button, and of course, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Maybe eventually someday I will get something different to create a nice sharp line, but for now, Scotch tape. So place it just right and it shouldn't be too irritating. And now we can begin. So I'm laying down a nice light brown shade first into that crease and flicking it out. And then right over that, a very nice dark brown shade. And then I'm just kind of like building it so it's nice and bold. With a jumbo pencil, I'm using a nice light gold shade, blending that out with the pad of my finger. Then I'm adding a lighter gold shimmer shadow on the inner portion, and then a nice like yellowy golden on the center. For the outer third and like V, I'm going to pull it out so it's kind of pulling a nice long cat eye. I used a nice jumbo red pencil, it's in rust, blending it out with a clean brush, and then adding on top of that a beautiful red shimmer shadow. For my eyeliner, I'm just going to create a really nice long cat eye. So it's very thin, but just pulling it out so it's very long and very sharp. After removing the Scotch tape, I'll go ahead and clean up the wing, whether it's with some liquid liner or concealer, and set it. For the lower lash line, I'm going to start with that lighter brown shade and just very sloppily swipe it across the lash line. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing for the bottom lash line as I did for my lid. So laying the jumbo pencils down and then the shadows and blend out the edge. After adding a liner to the waterline, it's time to match up the other eye. And time for contouring. So I want a really nice sharp contour, so I brought it down towards like close to my mouth there. That helps to create a very like sunken in and, you know, just very thin cheeks, which I don't have, so we're going to try to create that. And then I'm going to go ahead, as you can see, I am contouring around my forehead, my jawline. I just pull that down a little bit, and then my lower lip, and I'm going to snatch up this nose. Also another place that is not super slender, but once we get it there, it's time to move on to the blush. I love this blush. It totally exploded, but I love using it. I will not throw it away, not yet. Hopping up to the brows. So as you could see in the clip before, I'm using a water activated, I always want to say like a water based, not water based, a water activated face paint, and it is from Mayron. So this is their red shade, and then with a liquid liner I went through the brush to kind of even more create the appearance of hairs through my brows. Now off camera, let's do some mascara and lashes, and then I'm going to put a pause on my face and time to move to the body paint. To kick off the body painting sesh, I'm starting with drawing the phoenix that Dark Phoenix has on her chest. Once I create that, I'm going to start filling in everything with the body paint. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to stop talking for now. The next handful of steps, I'm going to let you guys sit back, relax, and check it out. After adding a lot of detailed work to my chest, I jumped up to my lips, added a beautiful bold red lip, and I did some ombre effect with some black shadow, hit my lips with some white paint for some highlight, and I want to go ahead and move on to my golden gloves, but before I do that, I'm going to get my wig on and put in my colored contacts. I also, as you can see here, I'm adding some highlight to a couple more places, and then it'll be time to jump back into that golden paint. Gloves, here we come. Adding a few more details and we are complete. Here is my Dark Phoenix Halloween makeup creation. Thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out with me and checking out my Dark Phoenix Halloween creation. I had so much fun with this look today, and I hope that all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, I hope you'll come back next week for another Halloween makeup look. I hope that all of you take care and stay spooky.
That's it. Pam, Dina, I'm calling a family conference. Come on. No, Jack.